Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone are doing great. Today we are going to see singular and plural nouns. Before moving into singular and plural nouns, I want to ask few questions. What is countable and uncountable nouns? Countable means we can count it easily. How many books are there? 5 books. How many bottles are there? 10 bottles. Let's move to uncountable noun. Uncountable noun we couldn't count. For example, water, milk, oil, sand, rice. These are the things we couldn't count but we can measure it. These are called as uncountable noun. Let's move to singular and plural noun. What is a singular noun? A singular noun, it's used to indicate one person, one animal, one thing. These are called as singular noun. Then plural. More than one person, more than one animal, more than one thing, it's used to call as plural nouns. For example, more than one means it's not only 2 or 3. It's more than once. It might be 100, it might be 10,000, it might be 10, right? So you are clear about what is singular and what is plural. Let's see move to the rules for changing singular noun into plural form. Look at the first one. By adding s at the end of the noun, we can change the singular noun into plural form. For example, toy. Toy. If we want to make it as a plural, we should add s at the end of the noun. So look at the end of the word toy. We just add s with them. It becomes plural. Toys. Look at the second rule. Some of the nouns, it's used to end with s, double s, x, sh, ch and o. If we want to make these nouns as a plural form, we have to add es at the end of these nouns to make it as a plural form. For example, bus. What is the last letter of bus? Yes, right? So if you want to make it as a plural form, what we have to do? We just add es with them. This es with them to make it as a plural. Bus, buses, es. Then same, class. So class, it's ended with double s. If we want to make it as a plural, we should add es with them, classes. Clear? Let's move to the third rule. Some of the nouns, it's used to end with y. For example, baby. Can you see the word baby? Okay. What is the previous letter of y in baby? B. B, is this belong to consonant or vowel? It belongs to consonant, right? So look at the previous letter of y. If it is a consonant, what you have to do? You have to remove the last letter y. Instead of y, you should add ies with them to make it as a plural form. Okay, baby. So y, this is the last letter of baby. Look at the previous letter b, that's a consonant. So we just remove this y and add ies with them to make it as a plural form. Baby, babies, ies, b-a-b-i-e-s, babies. Let's move to the fourth rule. Some of the nouns are used to end with f or fe. If we want to make it as a plural form, what we have to do? We should remove those f or fe. Instead of f or fe, we should add ves with them to make them as a plural form. For example, wife. What is the last 2 letters of wife? Fe, right? So what we have to do? We just remove this fe. Instead of fe, we should add ves with them to make it as a plural. So wife, wives, w-i-v-e-s. Here we should remove this fe and add ves with them to make it as a plural form. I hope you understood. Then look at the fifth one. Some of the nouns are irregular nouns. It will not follow any rules and regulations. We should learn what is the singular and plural form of those irregular nouns. For example, man. Man, it's indicate only one, right? Men, plural form. Child, only one. Children, plural, more than one. Then look at the sixth one. So some of the nouns, it's always follows plural forms. For example, trousers. form. It should be in plural forms always. Trousers, not trouser, trousers. Scissors, not scissor, scissors. It should be in plural form always. Sunglasses, spectacles. Okay. Then if you are seeing some noun, if you are looking at some nouns, that will not change in singular and plural. The same format, it should come in singular as well as plural. For example, fish. Fish, in singular also fish, plural also fish, no fishes. Then deer, singular also deer, plural also deer, no deers. Okay. Then look at the last rule. Abstract nouns, it always follows singular format. It will not follow plural format. For example, advice, not advices, okay, advice. Then music, no musics, music, advice. I hope you understood what is singular and plural form and how to change the singular noun into plural form, right? Thank you.